How much is a two-door garage detached house in a top-ranked school community in North York? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, our showing is in the Earl Haig Secondary School District. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's take a look at this property. Once inside the house, we can see that it is wide. On the left, we have the staircase going to the second floor. On the right, we have a classic family room.
这边呢，先来了一个厅，那它是家庭房跟客厅合二为一的这么一个还比较传统的这个结构。好，客厅还是比较宽的，可以感受得到。
Going forward, there is a kitchen. There is a kitchen central island that is used as a kitchen table and a breakfast table. The kitchen is not very big, but is big enough for daily cooking.
可以作为放食材、准备烹饪的这个台面，也可以作为早餐桌来使用。OK， 厨房呢不算特别大，但是呢也绝对够用。
There are storage cabinets. It's an open concept, and the dining area is connected to the kitchen and the family room. The dining area is facing the backyard. We can guess that this is a mature community because all the trees are very big and old. It's raining outside, so I won't go outside. We can see the backyard from here. Let's turn back and have a look from this angle. It's not very big for a detached house. Let's go to the second floor. The stairs have been renovated, but the handrail seems to have an older style.
这个楼梯呢，应该是做过升级的。 但是它的扶手呢还是比较传统的风格。
At the top of the stairs, there is a four-piece shared washroom. There is a wide sink, a window, a bathtub with a shower.
这边位置还算 OK， 有一个还比较宽的台面，然后这应该是个明窗的洗手间，有个带淋浴的浴缸，我就不打开看了。
Let's have a look at the first bedroom. The light is broken, so it's dark. This room is a study room, but it could be a bedroom. It's about 150 square feet.
就是现在被布置为书桌，但绝对是可以拿来做正式的卧室的，因为它的面积也不小，至少有个14-15平米。
There is a closet. It's facing the front yard. Today, it's raining, so it's a little bit dark. But in sunny days, the window would let in a lot of light.
这是这间卧室的情况。
The second room is a little bit small. It's about 70 square feet. That room is ideal as a study room. If we want to use it as a bedroom, it would better suit for small children. The third bedroom is probably the master bedroom. It's about 180 square feet. It's facing the backyard. The rain is really heavy today. There is a closet, but unfortunately, there is no ensuite bathroom. The last bedroom is the biggest. It's facing the front yard, and it's about 230 square feet. The downside of this house is that it's facing Bayview Avenue. Bayview is a road parallel to Yonge Street. There is a certain amount of traffic. There is another downside to this house. There's only one washroom on the second floor for 4 bedrooms. Let's look at the basement. There is a powder room here on the first floor next to the stairs to the basement. One good thing about this powder room is that there is a window. The basement is finished. The walls are covered by wood. The area is not very big. It can be used as an entertainment area.
为厅。
This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.